morning guys. So I've been asked a couple times how to wash my One Simple Girl brushes. So I thought I would do just a quick little video so that you guys know how to do it. So I have two products here. One is from Refresh and the other one is from the Beauty Blender line. Now, both of them work really, really great. This is a solid puck and this is just a liquid form. So for the liquid form, all you would do, you can spray it on a paper towel, you can spray it on a face cloth, whatever you want to use. Just a couple spurts, and then you're just going to take your brush and you're just going to wipe it across that wetness that you've just sprayed. For this puck, what you'd have to do is inside there's a little silicone, I don't know what you call it, a little silicone cover, I guess. Just pop that off, wet this, because this is where the actual cleaning solution is. You'd pop this back on, and then you would just rub your brush along the top of this. And that's it. Once you rinse them, you're gonna rinse your brushes out. What I usually do is I usually take a cloth and I squeeze the water out of it, and then I just try to sit them up and let them dry. Now, another solution you can do is when you're cleaning your brushes, just keep in mind, this is what I would be mindful of, is you don't wanna put water up in here. So you just want the water to touch your bristles and that's it. And again, you can use, if you don't have a cleaning solution at home, you can use a very mild soap. All I would do is just put the soap in my hand with some water and you're just gonna move your brush around like that. Again, just lightly, don't be too harsh with your bristles. Again, you just wanna really take care of your makeup brushes. You're gonna squeeze out the excess, you can lay them flat to dry, or I usually try to sit them up. Whatever your preference is, it's fine. And then once they're completely dry, what I would do is take that cloth again and just lightly rub your bristles along it. And it's just gonna put them back in the place that they should be. So hopefully that helps you out, guys. The two products that I just spoke about, I bought them both at Sephora. Super cheap, they're not expensive, but they will definitely make your brushes last a lot longer.